In Meyering v. General Motors Corporation, the court explained how manufacturers must anticipate the foreseeable criminal conduct of others when designing or manufacturing their products. Two juveniles threw a chunk of concrete from a freeway overpass. The concrete broke through the sunroof of a Chevrolet Corvette driven by Kurt Meyering, severely injuring him. General Motors designed and manufactured the car. Meyering sued General Motors for negligence and strict products liability, alleging that the sunroof was made from weak plexiglass and that an inexpensive alternative, shatterproof Lexan polycarbonate sheeting, would have prevented his injury. The trial court ruled that the juvenile's criminal action constituted an unforeseeable intervening act, sustained GM's demurrer, and dismissed the case. Meyering appealed to the California Court of Appeal.